Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Windows 11 search bar not working after an update. First, we will restart the search process. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. Go to the Details tab. Look for a process called searchhost.exe or searchui.exe. Right-click on it and choose End Task. Do not worry, this is safe. Now try using the search bar again. The process will restart automatically. While you are still in Task Manager, go to the Processes tab. Find Windows Explorer in the list. Right-click on it and click Restart. This will refresh your system interface and often fixes search issues. Next, we will rebuild the search index. Open the Control Panel. Change the view by option to large icons. Click on Indexing Options, then click on Advanced. In the new window, find the Troubleshooting section and click Rebuild. This may take some time, so wait until it completes. Finally, we will scan your system for corrupted files. Right-click on the Start button and open Terminal as an administrator or Command Prompt as admin. Type sfc/scano and press Enter. Let the scan finish. It will automatically fix any damaged system files. After all steps are done, restart your computer and check if the search bar is working again. Thanks for watching.